This is the practice test for Math 101, ratios, proportions, and percents. We're looking at problem number 3, and the problem says the formula for finding the interest on a loan is the interest is equal to the principal times the rate times time. And then we're told you borrow $6,520 for 5 years at a rate of 2%, how much interest will you owe? So here's our formula. The interest is equal to the principal, which is the amount we borrowed, $6,250, times 2% times the 5 years. When you multiply these, you need to use your percent key on your calculator, and when you multiply the three numbers, you're going to get 625, which is letter D. 625 is the amount of interest that you would have to pay back for the loan.